maybe we won't do this. We'll do display. Okay, now you see what I see. So, in favor of anyone that might see this video later, Godflesh is a tabletop role-playing game that I'm working on. It's been in development for 2.5 years, I think. First year was mainly workshopping it, writing some stuff. Then my home group and I started playtesting the rules, and it's good. And now I'm making a public playtest, which is called the Chrysalis Quickstart. It won't have all of the content, it will have enough to play. Now I haven't finished writing everything, but I started laying out some of the stuff for two reasons. One is that I wanted to learn how to use Affinity Publisher. I'm very well versed in Adobe InDesign. I published 3 of my own games. I helped make another game, and I help and another RPG supplement, and I just wrapped up on a project for a children's book. So I'm very well versed in layout, preparing a pre-press, all the process for printing books in Adobe InDesign. But there is a constant struggle for using Adobe. I have Creative Cloud subscription. I had it for 10 years now, maybe more. I get a discounted price, but every year you need to go back to them and talk to a rep to get the discounted price because they want to price hike you. Affinity is one price. You get all the program you pick. You don't have to get everything. And you get updates for that version forever, basically, until they come up with Affinity 3. And you'll need to buy that. So basically the old model that used to have. Now the other cool thing that I found out that Affinity Publisher is easier to use than InDesign. It's better. Why are you medium? I'm fell. Oh, I am fell is always interesting. Let's do it. Central vertical line. Good. Can I do like alignment, arrange? Now, where is vertical? It's not supposed to be an arrange. So while I'm learning Publisher, I usually have a Google search open. Affinity Publisher. How do you call that? Vertical. How do you call that? you want to take all the thing you selected. I like this, for example, make same size and everything. Space vertically, that's what I wanted. It's not really what I wanted here, but that's okay. Okay, space. So I was talking. The other reason I wanted to start laying out is to motivate myself to keep writing. It's sad that so much, all the games info sat there for so long. So I think I will remove the zoom in. Oh no, I like the auto frame, but maybe zoom in less. Camera, hello. Auto frame me. Thank you. Yeah. I have a problem with the... Let's remove it. Oops. Remove this. This is my normal stuff, so I need the camera to be more this way. Let's keep it like this, and then let's see if that helped. Okay, that helped a bit. Now you need to go up. And now do auto frame. That's better. That is better. Okay. So instead of give me my tasks, I will split this task into subtasks. So I want to redesign move boxes. Update headings alignment. Okay. So I'll move you to here. Okay. And then we'll continue. Let's do the heading alignment first. Yeah, you need to be not justified. So if I update this, update, does it update everything? No, it doesn't. Update and update. Okay. You see the reason oh, this is, why are you still justified? Update. What the? Oh, I'm stupid. Justification is a factor of the paragraph and not the text. So if you're not familiar with laying out and you have those features in stuff like Microsoft Word, for example, you have text styles. As you can see here, it's very tiny. Can I make the interface larger? Let's see. User interface. No. Affinity Publisher UI. zoom. Preferences, not settings. Preferences, where is preferences? UI scale. Oh. So it doesn't exist? Shame. Okay, never mind. Anyway, text styles. You have things that are under character. So things like font size, the font itself, font style, decoration, everything that have to do with how the text look. And then you have paragraph styles, which are things like alignment, spacing, justification, a bunch of stuff. And when you do the text style, you can see that we have the paragraph styles, those. And then we have the character styles. And I was changing the wrong thing. Now the reason I changed that because because that's a paragraph. That's why didn't I do this a heading? Okay. Is that that's a heading 2. Never mind. Let me find in it. Here it is. Here it was I was looking for. Look at this when it's justified. It's very ugly. Let's do. This is how it's justified. Now to fix this, I manually like made a new paragraph, which is wrong. And I didn't think about that at the time, which is the solution is just to remove the justification from those. You go here. Same thing here. Yeah. So now I'm going over the old, same thing here. The final result is the same. The way to do it, there is a proper way to do it and a wrong way to do it. Same thing here. And we need to fix this. And I don't think there is any other problems. Core moves, no, there are no other problems. Okay, so I finished that. Now another thing that I need is font awesome. I used font awesome for icon glyphs. So you can see here we have this dice icon, we have those things, oops, and those as well. Now there are a couple of ways to use them. you install the font. You go to Font Awesome, and then you go to download. You download the free thing for your desktop, so you have it as a font. And then you can open the Glyph browser, and you go to Font Awesome. Okay, and you can see everything. The problem is that the font doesn't use the names for the icons. It uses this code thing, and so you can search it properly, which is so annoying. So what I do, I keep the Font Awesome website open, and I go to the icon library. And needle, and I look for a thing. I do free. And I specifically, no, we don't have it. But for example, the dice thing. So you open this up, and then I copy this, and then you can, you can paste it, and it's fine. Okay, so the next thing I want to fix is this thing. Now, the reason I want to fix it because the way I did it now is by using a text frame style, and it's so annoying to use. So I'm not going to use it. I'm going to reset this, edit, default, revert. Thank you. And what I'm going to do instead, so obviously it's made everything like this, but it's fine. Okay. Regular update. Thank you. So instead of using the frame style, I'm going to use a paragraph style like here. So if I remove the, you can see I use this as like a sidebar style, and it's part of the text, the same things. You can switch it, blah blah blah. I don't know why I have. Is it because of the move? Yeah, it's because of the move. That's fine. Okay, so this is the paragraph style, and I want the same thing here. Instead of using the whatchamacallit. So I already have a text frame, because if I let me show you what a general style does. Bloop. And then you need to fix all of this, and it's annoying. It's really annoying. So I'm not going to use that anymore. Oh, let me get back to the normal mode. Another thing that's very easy in Publisher is switching between preview and work mode. Very easy. I love that. Another thing that works really well. So first of all, resetting zoom, put it properly centered on your view. Love it. And all the flow of the text is properly displayed. You can see exactly which way it works. Another feature I like. Okay, so let's build this. Let's build this move paragraph. We want 6. Yeah, 6 on this side, 6 on this side. Yeah, I don't. Why does I have a template I'm using for reference? This is a template by René, which created Songs and Saga, and he provided let me find the profile so I'm not speaking out of my ass, because I like to pay proper respect to people. René Pierre, no pronouns in the bio, so I will assume a he. He created Fari's RPGs, really good website system, cool games, and yeah, one of the things that you can they provide themes that you can download. So the one I use is no, where is it? Freebies, free assets. I think it's this one. Portrait and landscape Affinity Publisher template inspired by Song and Saga. The reason you look at it, it looks weird on mine because I don't have the fonts, and that's how I basically reverse engineered what they do with the text frame, for example, or with the paragraph style. That's how I taught myself how to do it. I learned a lot of how to use InDesign when I worked in one of the books, because I had we basically were translating the game from another language, so we had the file for the original language and I could use them for references. So why do I have this huge... Let's make it a paragraph. Sorry, make all of it a paragraph, a normal paragraph. And we will now we'll create a new thing. So do 0 here. 0 is, let's do 3 or maybe 4. Let's do 4. 4 is good. And we want it to be a bit squished. Okay. And we also want from the top to have... No, that doesn't work like this. And now we want decoration. And we want -4. Okay, good. -4. Why does it -4? Oh, that's too much. -2, maybe. And -2 here. How did I made it cover the entire... You said I don't remember things I did myself. So here, how did I make it the entire line? I'm so confused. How did I do this? Oh, I know. I know what the problem is. It needs to be column and not text. Yeah, okay. That was the problem. That was the problem. Now -4 is too much. We need minus. We don't even need minus. Yeah, we don't need. No, that's too much. We need -1. Yeah, and we won't have anything else. Okay, good. We have a line. We wanted the line. I have an idea why I should do a minus, but let's wait on that. We want the line to be swatches. Oh, I need to re-add the swatches. Swatches. So for some reason it cleans up when create palette from document as document palette. Good. So it gives me basically all the colors that are used in this document, which includes the background graphics and the logo. So you can see it took all of the greens and stuff from the logo, and it's here, and it took all of the yellows and browns from the page. I like this feature a lot. It works a lot better than the theme tool for InDesign. Maybe InDesign has something similar? I don't know. Okay, so now we can take, let's say, this color, or maybe this color, and we also want it to be a bit yeah, a bit transparent. Good. We have a line. Now we want a fill. The fill will be yellowish, maybe like this. Okay, and then we want transparency. But we want, that's something that I struggled with, how to change the angle of the transparency. So you go to the gradient tool and you do this. Oh no. Oh, I need to change the frame? No. Ew, maybe you can't do that if it's not a text frame? That's something to consider. Interesting. Text type. Yeah, that will be the text itself. It won't be. Yeah, it's just the text. It's not the background. Interesting. So you can't change. Let's see. Paragraph. Decoration, gradient, angle. Click the text with the fill tool. Now the endpoint. Yeah, I thought so. Okay, so one reason to use the text frame instead of the paragraph is that you can rotate the gradient on a text frame. But I don't think it's worth it, so I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to change how this thing work, and I think it's fine. I will add a line below, and I will do not minus. how do I can do center? No, that's fine. Yeah. Oh, nice. That's an interesting feature. So how do we like this? Maybe we need to change the transparency a bit. I think it should also be transparent here. So start with 80, change with 0, obviously, and then the midline should be like 30. Yeah, stuff like that. That looks not bad. It gives enough emphasis. Okay, so save this as a update move. Obviously it broke the other ones. That's fine. I will fix it. And now we move text is 11 instead of 12. That's fine. And that's it, right? The only other thing I wanted is move heading. So this is supposed to be heading 3, but because it's a move, I want it to be this one. I want, again, more emphasis. Now one of my inspiration that I use for a lot of the recent books I did is Mask a New Generation from Magpipe Games. And here you can see how a move look. So maybe and I did basically the same thing when I let me find not here, here. So wonders. Let's open this. Oh, why did it? That's weird. Anyway, you can see that, for example, all the example boxes I did like this. And then let's find a move here. And then moves I did like this. It's not exactly the same. Obviously, it's also colored with the color of the books and stuff, but that's my inspiration. I didn't really want to do the same thing, but for now I will keep it. Do we want... so first of all, so let's make it 14, and this will be move heading. Oh, I saved the paragraph instead of saving the text. Move heading. Cool. And now, yes, the paragraph. Let's try to maybe make this I wanted more. Okay. Don't have things. Oh, do keep the upper one. No, okay, it's too complicated. I regret it. Save. It's too complicated. Let's keep it like this. Maybe talking about inspiration, maybe we add a new. How do I add a new one? Oh, maybe you can't with. Maybe you can't with this. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Let's keep it like this. It's nice. It gives us some emphasis, and most importantly, it's easy to use. So now, let's look at it in a page level. Also, I like it a lot better than the green one that I did before. And it's different enough from this, from the side boxes. Okay, so now we're going to take this again, edit, default, revert. Edit, default, revert. Thank you. Text styles, move. This is going into move heading, and done. The only thing that I need to fix here is the icons. And why did the icon change? Because icons are glyphs of a font, so you need to change it back to the font. And here as well, I use serif. Oh no, I need to redo all the bullets. Oh, maybe I won't. Now the reason I use this specific thing is because I like bullets in an RPG setting, especially in this kind of fantasy, archaic antiquity thing. I don't like the bullets to be totally round. I like them to be smudged a bit. And that's why I do those bullets. The same thing with this font, for example. It's not completely straight and stuff, so I like those. Gain one thing. So one of the things that you can't do in InDesign or in this program or anywhere is the thing you have in MS Word and Google Drive, the format painting. You don't have format painting, and I really want it. I really want format painting. But one thing I can do is I can do this. I can call it glyph. And then I can go here and change glyph. Now also the glyph has two different, and this should gain one overpower. One of the things I do here is, I add both glyphs and the word that they represent. So roll the dice, gain one overpower, that's a symbol for overpower, etc. I need here some things in layout are very repetitive. You can find ways to improve on them, but some things will still always be very repetitive. And we need to do like, so for example, one of the things that are not as easy, you can do Control B, right, to bold, but it selects the bold. Now in this font, we have many different styles, and I don't use the normal bold because it's too bold. I either use the semi-bold or the medium, depend on the place. So here I use the medium, and again, I can select this and I can do, I can call it move trigger, okay. And I will have this, and when I go to another move, I can just change the move trigger. So here I go, this move trigger, it goes into a medium. I'm going for a quick bio break. Be right back.